poo-poo.
Num num meow. This is our first vlog. Yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna disappear now.
We're gonna change a different setting. That's what's gonna happen. Okay, we're outside. Oh gosh, it's hot out here though. Okay, scoot back, Sophie, because we're gonna show you something awesome. Scoot back some more. We'll be right back in 1 second. This is what we're gonna show you.
Oh, look, it's
And no, it's not a diaper box. It's just a box that we have. But here's a twist. We found a baby bird. I'm not sure if you can see that. Here, let me help you. Well, oh my gosh! Sorry, folks.
The baby wants to be fed. I had to feed it.
The worm is gone. So many bad things are happening. Okay, we're gonna.
No, that's a horrible idea.
No, it's not.
It's gonna get it.
No, it's not.
Okay, where's the worm? Found one. Hey, I want to feed it.
I know. I'm grabbing the worm for you.
Oh,
Okay, we have a worm here.
which I am going to feed.
Yeah.
Because this is gonna be like my first time.
Okay. Here, wait.
Oh. Let me stir up.
Hush. We'll be right back.
It's like going crazy. Here's the pea dried up.
The worm is moving. I repeat, the worm, and not the bird.
Bird just. See the bird. See the bird. See the bird. I can't see the
This is the box. It's wanting food, so we are going to give it some food.
No, I'll get the
Hey,
worm. I want the
I'm
worm.
gonna grab it for you.
I'm like, I want that worm.
You gotta not drop it this time, okay, so? Hold
Here.
it right above its mouth.
Uh,
Here, hand it to me.
I got it. Hey, I got it.
Ew, it pooped a big doo-doo.
Oh my god.
Did you see it? I think they saw it. Oh my gosh, isn't that awesome?
Oh my god.
Oh, look at it. It's like, I'm being documented. Hooray, I'm famous now.
Oh my god, that's disgusting. Okay, we should totally get that thing out of that box.
What?
Out of this box.
The poop?
No.
No. The bird?
No.
Yeah. Here.
Poop. No, the tablet.
Here. I'm gonna grab the poop out. Oh, jeez. It's here. Hold the camera.
There's the scats, everybody. The white big blob of poop. That is so disgusting.
We're trying to get it out for you, so you don't like be disgusted by your own poo-poo.
That's disgusting. That's like really, really disgusting.
You're not even recording it. You're recording the wall.
Oh. Huh? Oh.
We need to grab another leaf, a bigger leaf, to pick up this poo-poo. It's like, what are you doing with my poop? That is my poop.
It's like, I want my poop.
No, it wants the leaf. It's like mess.
Hi, birdie. Hi.
Oh my gosh, it's finally exploring. You're recording me. Oh, sorry, birdie.
Did he eat the worm?
Yeah.
Man, that big puddle.
Oh my gosh, it finally is like moving around. It's like, let me out of here.
He's like, I like this box. This is pretty cool.
Sometime soon we're going to clean him so we can pick him up. He's like, feed me the camera. Well, that was our first vlog. We're still probably going to do more vlogs about this bird. I'll give you an update. Probably in a month. And the birth date is today, which is Sunday, 2016. It wasn't born today, but this is just the day we found him. Sunday, and I don't really know the month, but bye, little kitties, little rainbow cats. Come on, so. Bye, rainbow cats.
Bye.